Why do you think the LGFV market is so hot at the moment? Is it a safe space to get into now?
Yeah, so last year they were certainly having a difficult time because, as you know, a lot of LGFVs, they are not very financially sustainable. So they rely heavily on local government. But the local government's revenue, they have been suffered because of China's housing crisis, because a large chunk of their revenue actually comes from land sales. But starting from this year, we're seeing like the market has improved a lot. This is partly because the government has introduced a lot of support measures. On the other hand, because China's stock market has been tumbling and the housing crisis is still going on, so investors, they don't have a lot of alternative to invest in. That's make LGFV a relatively safe space for them.
So what measures have we seen so far to kind of ease those investors' concerns about liquidity and the debt repayment ability of these LGFVs now?
Yeah, one measure is that the government set a refinancing program. They also set up an emergency fund for, cities or regions that may have like difficulty repaying debt. They also highlight 12K regions or provinces that may have difficulties repaying debt. On top of that, they also increase lending through banks and China's informal shadow banks, the trust sector.
And it brings to mind about shadow banks, right? What sort of role do they play in helping with the liquidity situation?
Right. There has been a resurgence in financing activities from these shadow banks. Our reporting shows that China's two top trust firms, they have increased their financing to LGFVs by 1/3 in the first quarter. The public available data also shows that trust products used to finance LGFVs hit a 4-year high of 138 billion yuan in the first quarter.